Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing and introduction of the LV-BAT-W2.56Da Home Energy Storage Wall-Mounted Battery. I am the engineer presenting this video. Before we begin unboxing, please ensure that your environment meets the following requirements. Upon receiving the battery, first check that the packaging is intact. Only open the box after confirming there is no damage. Then, verify that all components are complete and undamaged according to the packing list. Included components: product manual, 1 grounding cable, 2 communication cables, 2 power cables, 1 red, 1 black, 4 wall mount screws, 4 RJ45 connectors, 1 wall mount bracket, 1 battery unit. If any components are missing or damaged, please contact your dealer immediately. Key specifications of LV-BAT-W2.56Da, lithium iron phosphate cells, 51.2V, 2560Wh, 2500 cycles at 80% DOD, IP21, wall/floor mount, 120mm min battery spacing, 30A, recommended, 50A, standard, 0-55 degrees Celsius charging, 98.5% efficiency, 25 degrees Celsius/0.25 C, natural convection, no extra cooling. Built-in BMS monitors cell V/I/T, protects from overcharge/discharge/current and extreme temps, Bluetooth for updates/status/BMS config, plus thermal aerosol fire suppressor. Up to 10 units parallel, greater than or equal to 2 for greater than 3 kW systems, max 25.6 kWh, RS232/RS485/CAN2 inverter, display shows SOC, charge/discharge status, cell info and alarms, works with multiple low-voltage inverters, supports grid-tied/off-grid/hybrid, great for daily storage and emergency backup, ensures stable home power.